What if I told you your child hair could grow strong, soft, shining, and flare hair in just 7 days using ingredients you already have at home? Today, I'm sharing my secret DIY hair mask that transformed my princess hair from dry to absolute stand. This hair mask is perfect for children or everyone with natural hair that need moisturizing, shining, and grow. I tested this for 7 days and the results were unbelievable. So let's dive right into the recipe, and also we'll talk about why each ingredient is important, is powerful, is important, and it is powerful for hair growth. Now I put 1 cup of flaxseed into my pan. I'm adding my chia tea also inside. So you can use only flaxseed or you can use only cheese tea. So now what I'm doing, I'm putting my ingredients into my bowl. So I took 1 cup of flaxseed and chia tea also. I put 1 cup also, because why am I making? Maybe someone can say this thing is it not too much? Yes, for once, to use it once. Yes, I don't make it like this to make it to use it once, because I'm using this for 1 week. So because of 1 week, I always do it this way plate, because I cannot be getting that every day, making it every day. So I'm just going to make it like that and divide it so that every day I put some into the deep freezer, and the one that I'll be using like for 3 days, that one I'm keeping it inside my fridge. So after I finish using it, I remove the one that I put inside the deep freezer. So now after add my water inside. Well, when you put your water inside, you have to stay with your fire or make your fire low. Even if you make the fire low, you have to stay there, because if not, your ingredient is going to burn. When it is also burned, it means the nutrients is you are going to kill the nutrients. You will not get any nutrients inside again. But always make sure to make the fire maybe low fire, to make it low fire. As I was making, even I did it like I put it into 5, but 5 also it was look like still the fire was too much for me, because I can feel it, or you guys even can see how the my ingredients, how it's boiling too much like this. So while we are boiling it, let's just check and see the benefit of. Okay, my people, let's check and see the benefit of flaxseed. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acid that's stimulating hair follicles and reducing hair breaking. Flaxseed is having vitamin E and vitamin B and magnesium. It also helps scalp healthy, to give your scalp healthy. Why these things are important for using it into your hair? The importance of using it is to create natural gel that define curls and add slippery, and also add deep moisturize to your hair, because that is the importance of growing hair. If you are growing your hair and your hair is dry all the time, you are going to be continuously losing hair. But when your hair is well moisturized, then you are safe from that side. So let's check and see. Chai tea. Chai tea benefit. It's also reducing hair dandruff and strengthening hair growth. It helps stimulating hair growth. It contains antioxidants and polyphenols that boost blood circulation to your scalp. It also keep your scalp healthy and minimize the shedding. Okay, so it's very very important, because while you are using it, it will keep your scalp healthy and minimize your hair shedding. That is what we are looking for. You are looking for something that can keep your hair from not shedding, from not breaking, so that your hair will keep the moisture into your hair will lock inside the moisture in your hair, so that it will keep your hair healthy without doing what, without breaking or without shedding. So guys, we are after that, I'm still going to talk about some few ingredients that after straining it or after blending it. So please stay tuned with us and watch to the end, and let me know in the comments below if you love natural hair care things, or if you love natural hair Just write yes, I love natural hair. Okay. Okay guys, now you guys can notice that I put my finger inside just to see the texture of the gel. Maybe someone may think, how am I going to know that the thing, actually if you put it inside, if the thing is ready, even you yourself, you will notice that it's ready. But I'm just trying to see, because I don't want the thing to be too much, the gel to be too much thick. I want it to be a little bit watery. So boiling flaxseed, it depends of everyone can boil flaxseed in according to her own texture, for her own, the way she want the flaxseed gel to be. Whether you want it to be too much gelling, the gel to be too much thick, or you want the gel to be a little bit watering. For me, I prefer the watering. Okay guys, after that also I strain it. I blended it. So now after blending it, I'm going to strain it right now. When I say I need it to be a little bit watering, not all the time, but sometimes I want it to be watering. For example, this thing I use my, why it was watering, and I get, it's so amazing for me, so I'm using for my daughter also. This hair mask, I tested it for 7 days, good 1 week, and the result is so amazing, seriously. So now it's my daughter also. Every time when I'm doing things, I always try for myself. After that, I try for my daughter, then I bring it to the YouTube or take it to my channel to show it to our people. So this one also, I make this cold press avocado oil for myself. That one I put 2 tablespoons inside. Okay, I put 2 tablespoons of avocado oil inside. So the next ingredient that I'm going to add, I'm going to add my honey inside. Why I'm adding honey, let's check and see the benefits of avocado oil. Avocado oil, it's also deep penetrating the hair shaft for moisturizing and repairing hair damaging. If your hair is damaged and you are adding, it's going to be repairing your hair. Avocado oil also, it's rich in vitamin E, vitamin D, vitamin A, and vitamin B. They boost shining and adding elasticity to your hair. Avocado oil also make hair soft and smooth and preventing spill ends. So using avocado oil, adding it into your routine is amazing thing. And also this avocado oil is not like a just avocado oil that you can buy from outside. I buy the oil avocado, I make it for myself. That video I will drop it very soon. I will drop that video, will come before this one. Yeah, I think it will come before this. I don't know yet, but I'm just praying maybe that one will come before this video. So after adding that avocado oil inside, I added honey also. Honey also is having natural humectants. Guys, why I'm doing, I'm going to, after I do everything, I'm going to use to apply to my daughter hair. So before you apply the hair mask, always try to hydrate your hair if your hair is dry. I know the thing is already contain water. Maybe you may say, oh, the thing is water. Yes, it's water, but I'm not saying you should pour too much water or make your hair doing like you just wash it and come out putting the hair mask. I just make it a little bit hydrate before you put your hair mask in. Okay, yeah. So let's check and see honey. I added 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey also is having natural humectant. It also locking moisture into your hair. It contain it also contain vitamin B and antioxidants. Why adding honey also is important? Honey is adding shining and keeping your hair hydrated long. Well guys, after putting your hair mask, you have to sit at least 30 minutes to 40 minutes and go inside to wash your hair with your shampoo and your conditioner. Thank you. Lavender essential oil, it's also stimulating new hair growth and smoothing the scalp. It contains natural antioxidants and antimicrobial property. Why this thing is important? Adding essential oil lavender, it's promoting calms to your hair. It will make your hair smell very nice, smell very amazing, and also it will prevent scalp infection while you are adding lavender essential oil. And that castor oil also, it's also adding thicker and thicker to your hair strands. So it's also having vitamin E. Okay, so if you have those things, it's so excellent. Castor oil, everyone who is using it, they will tell you it's also excellent for stealing moisture into your hair. All these things is all what we need is moisture, because if you moisturize your hair and your hair is still good hydrate, you are going to get the result that you are looking for. So all these things I use. What did I use? Flaxseed chai tea. Also, I use it and boil it together. So after that, I added 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. I added 1 tablespoon of honey, lavender essential oil, and black castor oil that I added. So those ingredients that I used to make the hair mask. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Princess is saying bye bye to you people. She's sending you guys keys that you should like. My daughter is learning. When I say like, she's also doing the finger like this. So you guys should like for us, okay? Thank you very much for watching. If you watch it up to this point, may Allah bless all of you. Until our next video. Bye.